This is Altasciences' story, a story over 30 years in the making. So let's take a walk down memory lane, shall we? It all started in 1995. We went by a different name then, and we were a growing company focused on generic drug testing and bioanalysis. Between 2010 and 2015, there was a lot going on in the industry. Generic studies were being increasingly offshored, an impending patent cliff, a boom in competitive outsourcing options, and a race for the next blockbuster drug. And there were a significant number of mergers and acquisitions, leaving smaller biotech and biopharma underserved by CROs. It was time for us to pivot. Our first acquisition marked our transition from the testing of generic drugs to innovator drugs. But with drug development becoming more complex, we asked ourselves, how could we make it easier for clients to bring life-changing therapeutics to market? What if we bridge the gap between preclinical and early clinical phases and removed the unnecessary bottlenecks in the process? So, with the mission to simplify early-stage drug development, Altasciences was born. First, we built an experienced team that truly cares about our mission. We started putting the pieces of the puzzle together, acquiring the services needed to offer an integrated end-to-end drug development solution, and putting the systems in place to ensure swift communication and efficient project management. An industry that's slow to change, shifting perspectives on how the development of drugs could and should be done wasn't easy. So fast forward to today. It's incredible how far we've come. Through strategic acquisitions and investments in technology and infrastructure, Altasciences has broadened its global presence and expertise, becoming a key partner for early-phase drug development across multiple indications. We are the only CRO that can take your molecule from discovery to clinical proof of concept and beyond seamlessly. We now have 9 sites across North America with an office in the UK. And we're working on groundbreaking therapeutics like GLP-1s, gene therapies, and psychedelics. As I walk down the hallways, I see faces I've known since the beginning, and the thousands of new faces who've joined us since. Every day, each person brings their passion and dedication to your projects. They work together to make it easier for you to bring better drugs to the people who need them faster. 30 years behind us, the limitless future ahead for Altasciences and for you.